Alright, welcome to Henthorn's Performance. Hang out with me in the vlog day a little bit more. We already did the unboxing for the Suzuki parts. So now it and the bobber are the only thing in the garage. Everything else is pushed outside. Like, comment, subscribe. Hang out with me while I put these controls on. And the spools. And then you can get fucked. Once you like, comment, and subscribe, and watch the video, then you can get fucked. Alright, there we go. Check in here in a minute after I figure out what the fuck I'm doing. So we ordered some stuff for the Sv650 here at Henthorn's Performance. Got a rear spool set. I was lazy, didn't measure the size, so we got 8 mils and 6 mils, whichever one fit. And then we got some levers. So let's do a little unboxing, see how we feel about these things. Sticker. Best part about ordering fucking car and bike parts, right? So here we have the clutch lever. I got a shorty one because I tend to just 2-finger everything. So this should be pretty nice there. These actually look really nice. They weren't in a bad price range. Nice and positive. Can't wait to put these on. So that's the clutch side. Oh look, fucking keychain. That's dope. We're gonna put those on all the different keychains we got. So that's that one. And then this should be the brake side. More fucking stickers. Yeah. Very similar design. Very well put together. Nice little roller there for the adjuster. Looks like high quality shit. Can't wait to see them on. That'll be next. So it's a 2020 Sv650. I just looked at the bolts that hold the levers on. They're 10s on the bottom. I already broke it loose a little bit here. And same thing with the 10 there. This is a 10 on top here. Just pull this out of the way. That's a 10. And then this one is an 8. So we'll go ahead, pull one side off, and then put the new ones on, and I'll show you what it looks from side to side, and then we'll put the other side on. I'll check in with y'all then. Y'all can see the whole look. Alright. Alright, so this one fits a little more snug than factory. Feels good. You can adjust it out. Got a lot more pull on it. It looks pretty hot. I like it. And then, you know, we still got old stock girl over here. So, go ahead and do that one next. You'll get the total picture. All my bikes need a bath. I doubt you can see it well on camera, but man, are they fucking dirty. But alright, I'll check back in here in a second. Alright. Both sides are on. If I do say so myself, I think it's pretty hot. The cover here, I didn't like how it sat here. It was constantly being pulled back. Wasn't a big fan. So I went ahead and took it off. But I think that looks a little bit better than stock. And with a little more adjustability. I got pretty small hands, so you know, like, that's all the way out, and I'm like barely in there, you know. But now I can bring it all the way in. Looks pretty good. I don't know. I like it. All right, on to the next step for the day. Spools in the back. Spools are on. The Sv650 2020 Sv650. I'm sure somebody has this out here somewhere, but it takes the 8mm spools. As always, clean your threads, put Loctite on them. I don't have any Loctite here at the moment, so these will come back out and get Loctited and put back in. But that'll help with chain service. So that's it for the Sv650 today. The blue looked good. It's too shiny right now because the bike's dirty, but we'll turn around. Alright, let's figure out what we got next, huh?